Alright, so ganito mag-plot. So type plot sa command line. And then, click nyo yung paper size. Pan paper dapat na letter. So before that, click nyo to muna. Microsoft Print to PDF. Para mabilis lumito yung paper size. Letter. Tapos, palitan nyo siya ng drawing to PDF. Okay. And then, fit to paper, millimeter. The ratio should be 1:1. Then landscape. Center the plot. Display. Click nyo yung window. Tapos click nyo yung gusto nyo yung i-print. So ito yung i-print natin. Yan. So balikan natin yung window. Kaya yan yung pinili lang natin. Ito hanggang dito. And then preview to check. Ayan. So okay na yun. And then escape lang. Tapos apply to layout para ma-save yung format na to. Apply to layout. Then okay. And then you save yung gagawin. Print 1. Naka-PDF save. And then go back. Okay, so ganun lang mag-plot.